Today we're diving into something bold, dramatic, and seriously royal. A teal smoky eye using the P.Louise Make It Reign palette. I love a good teal smoky eye and I feel like it's just such a pretty colour. So today I'm going to show you guys exactly how I created this look. So let's just jump straight into the tutorial for this dual toned glam. On a Sigma E42 brush, I'm going to take the shade No Pain, No Gain. And I'm just going to blend that shade in my inner corner and in my outer corner towards my brow bone. Next, on a Morphe M506 brush, I'm going to take the shade Storm Chaser. And I'm just going to use that to blend that darker grey shade out. On that same brush, I'm going to go on with the shade Rainy Day Romance. And I'm going to use that to help blend those shades out. On a Sigma E33 brush, I'm going to take the shade Drip Drop. And I'm just using that shade to diffuse all of the eyeshadows nicely. I'm just going to take a bit more of my eye base and just pop a little dollop in the center, and I'm just using my sponge to tap that out just so we've got something for the shimmer shades to stick to. On my finger, I'm going to pick up the shade Hail to the Queen, and I'm just going to place that on the outer and inner corner of my lid, leaving the middle blank. And on the center of my lid, I'm going to go with the shade Drizzle Dreams, and I'm just tapping that right through the center of the lid all the way up to those matte eyeshadows. I'm going to pick up the shade No Pain, No Gain, and I'm going to blend that shade right up close to my waterline. Then I'm going to pick up the shade Storm Chaser and diffuse that dark shade. Next, I'm going to go back in with the shade Rainy Day Romance, and I'm going to use that to further smoke out the lower lash line. And lastly, I'm going to go in with the shade Drip Drop, and I'm just going to use that to diffuse all of those shadows. On a Morphe M321 brush, I'm going to take the shade Whether or Not, and I'm going to use that in my inner corner and on my brow bone. I'm just going to pop on some mascara and lashes, and then I'll be back to show you guys the final look. And here's the final look using the P.Louise Make It Reign palette. And here's a close-up of the eyes. I'm obsessed with how beautiful this turned out, honestly. The shimmers in this palette are just next level. Let me know in the comments what you guys think, and if you'd like to see some more colourful eyeshadow tutorials from me, I am more than happy to film them. So I'm going to finish the video off here. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe so that you never miss a video from me. If you want to see any other looks I don't create here, check out my Instagram at MakeupWithAlix. All of the products I have used and my social medias are linked down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye!